Okay, in this video, you're going to learn how to create a wish list for your customers. Okay, to me, this is really one of the most powerful and most useful tools that we have within the XOLogic platform. And really, it's the most used by many of our customers. We understand that customers coming into your store, they're not going to buy thousands of dollars worth of items right off the bat. Okay, you want to build a wish list for them, let them think about it a little bit, but then also have something tangible. You can email these wish lists, you can print it off to them to kind of take away with it. So you want to be able to kind of create that wish list for them so they can hold on to it and come back to it. Okay, so we've created a lot of different features that is best suited for your customers to be able to customize the wish list for them. So to build the wish list, we first want to get logged into our dashboard. Okay, so we're here in the dashboard, and then there's two different areas where you can go to start building your wish list. You can come here over to the quick start, you can browse products, or you can come over here to your price lookup and hit this button. Either of those will take us to our online catalog. Okay, so let's click on here, and it brings us to our online catalog. So up here at the top, we have kind of some features where you can narrow down your search, what brand you want, the price range, what's in your attributes, okay? Or you can browse by category, okay? So let's say that I want to take a look at some pendants here. Okay, now that it's loaded here, it gives us our online catalog, okay? With all the different products that we have. Again, we've selected some pendants here, okay? So to start out, to build this wish list, what you're going to look for is this box here that'll say Save for Review. Okay, so you want to check the boxes that you want to build the wish list for. So let's say I want this one and I want this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on Review Saved. It gives us our items here, okay, that we've added. I've actually added in this one as well. So we have our layout, okay? We have some of the different options, okay? Side by side will be the catalog screen that we just saw. Put it side by side. So let's take a look at that one. Okay, so you can see how we have that there. And then the thumbnail list, that'll just give you the picture with the description. The basic list will be without the picture, but just with the item, okay? So most people like the detailed list. They want to see everything about that specific product, okay? This view here, this is where if you click this drop down, you can have 160 items on one page without having to go to the next page. Okay, so you can set it up that way. Okay, and then over here on the right, we have some different options for you. Save to the wish list, add all to an order. You can print it, email it, empty it. When you click on empty, that'll clear out your entire wish list. Okay, and then you can sort by featured items, by your width, your height, your price, low to high, or price high to low. Okay, however you want to do that. So let's say if you wanted to print, okay, this is kind of what it will look like if you were to print that item for that customer. Okay, if you wanted to email it, you can select your to, who it's from, your subject, and your message here, and it'll send it to them as a PDF. Let's save this to our wish list. Okay, and once you save it to the wish list, you can do it in two options. You can save it for an existing customer, or you can add it to a new customer. Okay, so let's do it for a new customer here. Let's put in James Miller, and phone number is 888, and let's do a test@tester.com. Okay. So we filled out the customer's new information here, and now we have this associated account. Okay, this is a great feature because your builders or your designers, they can use this as well when they are building wish lists. Okay, they can assign this customer, this wish list that you're building right now, they can assign it to their account, okay, or you can assign it to a different account. Okay, so if I click on this associated account, I can assign it to any one of these accounts here. And so when they log in, they will see that a wish list has been added to their account. So that's a nice little feature there, okay? And then we have existing wish list. With this default wish list, these items will just add to that wish list that you created before, or you can just create a brand new wish list, which is what we want to do. And then you can give it a name here. So I want to do living room for the basement. And you can check the email, check this box to email it. That's another great feature about building a wish list is you have email boxes throughout to make it really easy for you to be able to email these to your customer. Okay, so let's click on save. Okay, and it gives us our items here. Okay, now each time that you build a wish list, it gives you a number. Okay, and so this number, if you have it memorized or if you write it down, over here on the left you have this order lookup. You can type in that order and it'll take you right to this wish list. Okay, and again, you can change the layout if you'd like, and then you can change the sort by as well. Okay, so we have our items here that we've built for the wish list. So let's say the customer says, you know what? I want to add another item to my wish list. So let's go ahead and click on Browse to add a new item. And what it's going to do is it's going to take us back to our catalog. Okay, so let's say I want to add on a foyer/hall lanterns here. And brings us to our catalog, and let's say I want to add this one. Okay, I'm going to click on Review to save here. All right, so here, this is where we can add it to your order. Okay, if you save it to the wish list, it's going to create a brand new wish list for you. Okay, but if you want to add it, make sure you select Add it to the order. Now, one thing that I wanted to cover as well is we have this click here to add notes. Okay, so you can add notes about this item if the customer said something about this that they really like it. You know, you could put, they love this item. They want it. Okay, hit save and that will save on there. Okay, so then let's click on Add to Order, and then it'll bring it down here to add this item to our order. Okay, we can give it a quantity, we can give it a room if we'd like. So then let's hit save. All right, so now it's added that item right here to our order. Okay, and you can add an item that isn't added into the database. There's a video on how to add items into the database as well. Okay, so you can print this off. So let's go ahead and hit print. Okay, it'll give you your information here, and this is what it will look like if you're going to print it to a customer. You can email it. Okay, send an email here to that account from, put in a message, and send the email off to the customer. Okay, or you can empty it out, clear it out, or you can convert it from a wish list over to an estimate. Okay, so again, many options for you when you are building wish lists for your customers. Okay, if you have any questions or any further explanations, please don't hesitate to call into our client services team, and we'll be more than willing to assist you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and hope you have a great day.